Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Well, dear friends, did you all enjoy? Our intention ఏంటంటే you should start opening up. You should start speaking up. Communication is the key of leadership. You should be the leaders by your own self so that tomorrow you should govern yourself. మీరు మీకు వచ్చిన ఒక అమూల్యమైన ఫస్ట్ టైం ఓటర్స్ ఎంతమంది మీలో? ఎంతమంది ఫస్ట్ టైం? ఓ లవ్లీ. ఇంతమంది ఫస్ట్ టైం ఓట్ చేయబోతున్నప్పుడు యూ షుడ్ బి ఆల్ ద మోల్. డోంట్ గెట్ క్యారీడ్ అవే బై మై గ్రాండ్ ఫాదర్, మై ఫాదర్ అండ్ దెన్ సో అండ్ సో. మా తాతలు నేతులు తాగారు, మా మూతులు వాతను చూడండి, వద్దు. డోంట్ గెట్ క్యారీడ్ అవే బై సమ్ పార్టీస్ హూ హ్యావ్ లిటిల్ ప్రెజెన్స్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. వాళ్ళకి మీరు ఓటేస్తే మంచి వాళ్ళే ఉండొచ్చు. నేను ఒక్కడిని ఇండిపెండెంట్గా నుంచున్నా అనుకోండి, నాకు ఓటేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, గెలిచేవాడిని ఓడగొడతాను, దాని తర్వాత నేనేమీ చేయలేను, చివరికి నా ఓటు కూడా వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. You should stick to parties which have credibility. You should see and decide to a party which have sustainability. You should see which has got values and principles in the social life. ఇలాంటి పార్టీస్ ఏమున్నాయో మనం ఆలోచించుకొని ఎవరు కోటేమని నేను చెప్పట్లేదు, కానీ వెన్ యూ ఓట్ థింక్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫేస్ అండ్ ఓట్ ఫర్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ పర్సన్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సెయింగ్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సెయింగ్. బికాస్ డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ ఓట్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ ఓట్. డూ ఇట్ ఫర్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ పర్సన్. ప్రభాకర్ గారు మాట్లాడదలుచుకుంటే 3 గంటలు మాట్లాడగలరు, బట్ ఈ వాంటెడ్, ఈ పేడ్ ఏ రోల్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మోడరేటర్ టుడే అండ్ వాంటెడ్ యూ టు డూ. పుట్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ టుగెదర్ అండ్ అప్రిషియేట్ హిమ్. సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. యువర్ ప్రెజెన్స్ మేడ్ ఆల్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఫర్ టుడేస్ వర్క్షాప్. మీ అందరికీ ఐడి కార్డ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్ ఐడి కార్డ్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ప్లెడ్జ్ ఉంది ఒకటి, మనందరం ప్లెడ్జ్ చేద్దాం ఫర్ అవర్ వెల్ బీయింగ్. ప్లీజ్ రేజ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సీట్స్. నుంచోండి. అది తీసినా తీయకపోయినా నేను చెప్తూ ఉంటా. ప్లీజ్ రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ. ప్లీజ్ రిపీట్ ఆఫ్టర్ మీ. It doesn't take 30 seconds, but it will impact us for at least 5 more years. Please raise your right hand up to your shoulder level and repeat after me. I, మీ పేరు చెప్పండి, take out your name. I, KB Pradeep, take your name. Do solemnly swear in the name of God and in the name of conscience and make the following. I will make every effort to make India a strong, vibrant and humane country. I will spare no effort to contribute to the well-being of the people of my country and my state. I will strive to end social, economic, cultural and every other inequality that plague my society today. I will dedicate my physical and intellectual energies to free my country from poverty, hunger, discrimination, disease and deprivation. I will endure to excel in my chosen field of study and profession. I will responsibly participate in the democratic political process and educate my fellow citizens in order to make rational choices and elect a clean, responsive and development oriented government. Thank you. Congratulations. We'll do exercise. Please stand like that. Please stand. Please stand. Please stand and then do what I say. Raise your right hand to the maximum extent. Raise your right hand. Stretch it as far as you can possible. Turn it backside. Slowly get it down. Slowly get it down and pat on your back. You did a good job. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Well, dear friends, it's a time for lot of lucky dip now. There is a lucky dip for all of you. There is a best participation award. There are awards for elocution competition, and then there are a few other things which we need to close it in the next 5-7 minutes. My dear friends, All of you who say this seminar is worthy and then useful, please raise your right hand. Thank you very much. The majority opinion is taken by your hand. I think we have done a test market today. We have started a small beginning today. We have done a trial market today. We have piloted our project today. From tomorrow onwards, we are going into colleges with 2,000 strength. Thank you. Who said all the best? Thanks a lot. We need your best wishes. Well, where is Nagarjuna? Is the list is ready? Okay. We now request Sri T. Srinivas Rao Garu from Sujana Foundation to come on to the stage to hand over the certificates for the 5 participating best participants, but they are participated. See, there has to be some, see, 11 players play a cricket match, only one get man of the match, no? But here we are giving 2, men of the match or women of the match, players of the match, whatever is that. So 2 of them will be taken to the next level, next league on Y Plus channel, and then the other 5 will have to be happy for the participation because 1, they have participated, 2, they are getting a certificate, 3, they have got big fan following, 4, they are visible on television, 5, it is a foundation for tomorrow. So I have 2 prize winners and 5 certificate holders. I request Mr. Srinivas Rao Garu to come on to the stage and then hand over the certificates first to the 5 participants. May I have the pleasure of inviting Samit? Samit, yeah, whatever is the name. Put your hands together, he did a very good performance. Yep, ready. Suchinder, please continue your appreciation. Half mark this side, that side will be decide the winners who are there. But all of them are winners because they have participated. Then, Fazullah, where is the list of the participants? Yes, I have here. Farhanullah. Then, Srishti. So 3 are left. Okay. May I request Shashidhar to come on to the stage and take the participation certificate? So we are not discriminating who is first and second. We want to select 2 participants as joint winners, regional winners, and they will be promoted to the next level in the Y Plus channel. They will be participating in the prelims there. They will be participating in the quarterfinals. They will be participating in the semi-finals. Who knows? Your college will be represented in the finals. Who knows? One among them is going to take 1 lakh cash from same person. Sri Parakal Prabhakar Garu, kindly hand over a token of love. I request everyone. There are 2 ways of doing things. One is let it happen. Are chesko ma kale lenga valanta. Second is make it happen. He is second category. He made it happen. Thank you very much, Raghuveer Garu. I request you to please respond for a minute.
At the outset, I profusely thank the Sujana Foundation and my old friend. Old means not in age.
Probably is referring bald friend.
And Parakala Prabhakar Garu for giving an excellent training and how to talk. And we have to respond for that. What should we do now? Em cheyali ippudu manam? At the standing ovation should be given to both of them. Please, claps. This is our father. Please. Right, be seated. And also I thank the Sujana Foundation Madam also for organizing this program in 2 days. Our doors are open for anybody. Any day you can walk in and organize the programs. This is from our side. I once again thank all of you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Raghuveer Garu. Now it is open for a boy and a girl, other than the 7 speakers, to come and respond, how is the program? మీకు ఎవరైనా ఒక బాయ్ ఒక గర్ల్ ఇందాక మాట్లాడిన వాళ్ళైనా పర్వాలా వీళ్ళు 7 తప్ప ఎవరైనా వచ్చి దే కెన్ రెస్పాండ్. యా కమ్, రండి, మీరు రండి క్విక్లీ. ఐ కెన్ గివ్ 2 chances if there is quick. Come.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Before, don't leave any the auditorium till we say we have some pleasant announcement to be made. Please, yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. I really thank Sujana Foundation and Y Plus channel for giving us a very great opportunity. And I also thank our Principal Raghuveer sir for giving this great opportunity of expressing ourselves and showing our inner talents to everyone. I hope these kind of many cultural events would come to our college and give a good entertainment and knowledge to us. Thank you.
Vamsi.
Well, good afternoon, friends. I first thank Sujana Foundations and Y Plus for giving us this opportunity to share our experiences and our views regarding what is happening in our nation right now and how we should react to it. And I think this talking over here and sharing our views and experiences.
Can I have your silence, please? Our friend on the floor. Just next 3 minutes we are going to wind up this up.
Just talking over here and sharing our views and experiences is not enough to develop our country. We have to put it in action. That's what we have to do to develop our country. And very thanks again for our principal sir and Prabhakar sir and Pradeep sir.
Thank you. That's what we have taken pledge, that we will convert our talking, our communication and our thoughts into actions in the coming elections.
Guys, today who know Manisha? Just raise your hands. All of them know me only because of the channel and everything and support of Prabhakar sir, Pradeep sir and Raghuveer sir. All this is possible only with them. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is ours, ma'am. Thank you.
Well, good afternoon everybody. I would like to thank Srijana Foundation, our principal Mr. Raghuveer sir, who has given such a wonderful opportunity to come and share our thoughts. Initially I never thought of attending this program, but then when I came I heard sir speaking and that really invoked some good thought in me, and thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am. Now the pleasant announcement is that, again suspense, huh? Lovely kids. You will be given a snack and a cool drink while going. Please collect and go. And then please do remember, words are powerful but actions are more powerful. Your thoughts should be converted into vision should be converted into action need to be implemented, and then the feedback analysis. Ultimately you should have a good governance. While I request, there is one more factor which is contributed so much for the organizing this. Junior Chamber International is the world's largest youth organization which believes in personality development and then which trains millions of youth, and then I am a product of Junior Chamber International. May I request Prashant to deliver a quick vote of thanks, then we'll all raise for national anthem and then we disperse and then enjoy the whole of the day.
Thank you, sir. It is my pleasure to propose vote of thanks on this August occasion. I thank IIMC and Raghuveer Garu for providing the college premises, and Sujana Foundation and Subhashini Garu and her team, who has worked hard to make this happen. I know how many hours spent to make this event happen. Y Plus channel, Maha TV and JCI for their effort to make it successful event. And also specifically I want to thank Parakala Prabhakar Garu and Pradeep Garu for enlightening all of us. Finally, you, the youth, who made this happen and made this event very successful. I just want to reiterate, JCI, Junior Chamber International, is a worldwide federation of young leaders and entrepreneurs, and his perspective is within the walls of the soul of this organization, wherein character and good citizenship are laid. I hope a message will come sometime of tomorrow which will stir the people towards establishment of everlasting and permanent world peace is actually the motto of this organization. And I thank each one of you for participating here, and have all the best and good day. Thank you.
Our special claps now. I take out names, you should clap, because they are the people who work hard. To all the cameramen and the crew of Maha TV and Y Plus. to all the technicians who work for sound and other arrangements, to all the people who work from Sujana Foundation, to all the volunteers of Junior Chamber International, to all the teachers, especially all the faculty members and teachers who made this possible. Put your hands together. Thank you, ma'am. We will salute you for your cooperation. To your principal and the management for this wonderful cooperation. And finally, we should clap for ourselves for this active participation. We will join with me saying 3 cheers to everyone. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Please raise for national anthem. Please raise for national anthem. 1 second before that, Subhashini madam wants to speak.
No, I want to join in the national anthem.
Yeah, please sing, ma'am. Yeah.
I'm very particular about singing the anthem in a very systematic manner. I don't know what are reasons I have, but I'm very specific. So kindly don't go out of the tune and not in the wrong in the lyrics.
Please.
Because unless you own your song, you can never own your country. Right? Okay.
Yeah. Please hold for 10
Silence,
seconds.
absolute silence.
10 seconds silence. Then we'll pick it up and all of us sing aloud. It's a pride and a proud moment for us to sing our national anthem.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे गाये तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.